Hey guys, today I'm going to be making cupcakes with the President's Choice Decadent Chocolate Cake Mix. I just followed the recipe on the box, so what I'll be using are 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of melted unsalted butter, and of course the box of Decadent Chocolate Cake Mix. Make sure your oven is preheated at 325 degrees. Then in a bowl, add your cake mix, your milk, your eggs, and your butter. And then beat on low speed for 30 seconds. And now I'm going to scrape the sides and continue to beat on medium speed for about 1.5 minutes. Have your pan ready with cupcake liners and pour the mixture halfway into the liners. Then bake for about 20 minutes. And they're done. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share my video.